All right, we've got the Outlast Trim and Plastic Restorer by Armor All. I love this stuff. I think it's amazing. I use this on my cars once, maybe twice a year. And I'll actually show you what's in the package. And I'm going to show you, do like a little sort of a demo. Not a demo, but sort of. So open the package. Got your towel. Got this. This is all you need to get the job done. So you basically just apply this. You shake it. Apply it to apply it to the towel. You might want to damp this up a little bit. Apply it to the trim and the plastic on the outside of the car, which I'll sort of show you in just a second. And then you want to let it sit and wipe it up after that. Let it sit for about 5 minutes and wipe it up. I've actually just let it sit and not wiped it up. So it just shows you, I'm not a genius. It still is amazing. So I'll show you actually in just a second. All right, so the trim is generally going to be, something like that, like around the wheels. Some cars might even have like a little strip that goes across, maybe like more down here. But this would be the trim, and sort of it just goes all the way around the car. You might even have some stuff right back here, and yeah, you just apply it, let it sit for 5 minutes, and wipe it up. You're good to go.